I am your Minister of Public Health, Social Development and Labor, Minister Omar Ottley. I have here on my desk today two documents. One, the LBHAM that has been returned from His Excellency Governor Bailey, the cumulative increase of the minimum wage for 2016, 17, 18, 19, and 2021. You may ask, what about 2020? Well, 2020, there apparently was an indexation of 1 cent that brought the minimum wage from 8.83 to 8.84. However, during my term, I thought it is imperative that we give the people of St. Maarten the rightful indexation. With this LBHAM, the minimum wage will be increased from 8.84 to 9.62. I have here on my right a ministerial decree that gives the Minister of Labor, myself, the authority to index yearly. What we did, we used the third quarter CPI of 2022 and index for 2023. Collectively, the both documents bring the minimum wage to 9.95 hourly. That's 9.95 guilders, which increased the monthly minimum wage from 1,531.09 cents to 1,723.34 cents. The minimum wage is a legal instrument to ensure that employees are not taken advantage of. As Minister of Labor, there's an authority that allows indexation yearly, which has also been advised by our socio-economic partners, the SED. As long as I am in this position, St. Maarten, you can ensure that the right thing will be done and the minimum wage will be indexed according to the CPI yearly. It is extremely an honor to share this moment with you. I will now move to signing the indexation and the increase of the minimum wage for the people of St. Maarten.